Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have the spoilers for the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box for the month of July 2023. And the bag and box are so good this month. I can't wait to share them with you. But really quick, if you're not familiar with the Ice Cream Beauty bag, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. It's $12.50 a month plus shipping. You get 3 to 5 full-size items. And the Ice Cream Beauty box is $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. And if you use code Michelle10, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's not a code that I make anything off of. It's just a code to save you a little bit of money. So if you like my spoiler videos, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because I am random. I upload twice a week, but it is on different days. Okay, so first we're going to start off with the Ice Cream Beauty bag. And you know I'm going to start with the star of the show, which is always the palette for me. So this month we are going to be getting a Oak Lawn palette, and this is going to be the Pink Rose palette. Now this is the 18 pan palette. And this looks like a Huda Beauty dupe of the Rose Quartz palette. Very pretty. This is an awesome palette to be getting in the bag. Okay, so spoiler number 2 of the bag is going to be a brush. And this is going to be a brush from Paris Tools. Very nice. It looks like a nice little dome brush. I would probably use this for cream products, like my cream blush or cream bronzer. For the third and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be a product from Pierre, and this is going to be the Lip Essentials kit. Now in this kit, you're going to be receiving a lip balm, a lip gloss, a lip liner, and a bullet lipstick. And I love that. I love that you're getting all of that in a little kit. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the Ice Cream Beauty box. So of course, again, the star of the show, always the palette for me. This is going to be a palette from Oak Lawn, and this is a 18 pan palette, and this is the Ethereal palette. Now, this one looks like the Huda Beauty dupe for the Naughty Nude palette, and I'm excited about this. So I don't get the bag, I just get the box. I love getting Huda Beauty dupes. I actually have like 2 palettes already that are Huda dupes, and I love them, so I can't wait to get this one. And those 18 pan palettes are a really great size as well. For spoiler number 2 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Delonte, and I hope I'm saying that right, but I may not be. Now this is going to be a 4 pan multi-chrome palette, and this looks beautiful. She also gave me a little clip to insert for you guys so you could kind of see how they shift. It looks gorgeous though. I'm telling you, all the duochrome stuff that we've been getting is awesome. I love all the duochrome, multi-chrome things that we've been getting. They are beautiful products, and I cannot wait to get this little 4 pan palette. Super cute quad. Okay, so spoiler number 3 is going to be a product from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the collaboration with Hot Mess Mama. Now, Hot Mess Mama is another YouTuber. I will have her channel linked down in the description box, but we are getting the liquid lipstick. I can't wait to try it. I've heard nothing but great things about Ofra Cosmetics, and I've never personally tried any of their lipsticks, so I'm excited to get this and try it out. And again, super happy for Hot Mess Mama. I'm going to have her channel linked below. Go check her out if you haven't already. Spoiler number 4 for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Queen Studio. And this is going to be a cream highlighter in the color Ice Cream. And I love that, of course, for our box. How cute. And of course, I've said it once and I'll say it again. I love getting a highlighter. I don't think that you could have too many highlighters in my opinion. For the 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box is going to be a product from Chantecaille Beauty, and this is going to be their liquid duochrome eyeshadows, and we're getting 2 of these. We're getting 2 colors for them. We already have gotten a white shade from them. It's gorgeous. I use it all the time, so I am excited about this. Chantecaille Beauty has some beautiful liquid duochrome eyeshadows. We've gotten their loose pigments. We've gotten their little single pressed eyeshadows, and the quality is absolutely fantastic on it. So I'm excited. So I'm going to say that I am most excited for the Delonte 4 pan multi-chrome eyeshadow palette because I just love duochrome, multi-chrome things. I am excited for the Huda Beauty dupe though, too. So this box looks like it's going to be a good box again this month. Ice Cream has been killing it, and I cannot wait to get this box in so I can try it out with you guys. As always, let me know what you're most excited for. I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!